I'm with Chad at Choice Equipment Company. And Chad, you guys have so many products for the pizza industry, but you customize in a way that's just not available to most pizzeria owners and operators. Can we talk about some of the products you've got for the pizza industry?
Yeah, absolutely. So we focus on customization. We focus on making sure that we understand the needs of the customer. And one of the things that we brought here to the show is a FIFO can rack that's got a poly-top table.
Tremendous space saver, and it's an innovation. It hadn't been available in the pizza industry until now. How did you guys come up with it?
Well, again, it was a customer that came to us that had a specific need. We wanted to make sure that we gave them something that was small and compact that fit in their space. And this takes away a large storage unit, but gives them a work surface. And that way they can have the best of both worlds, both the holding of the cans, but then the work surface so that they can continue to prep on.
And you were telling me about this off air, but if a customer does need customization, that's what you guys do.
Absolutely. We focus on making sure that they have that we can deliver a quality product, but also quality product that meets their needs, including we brought another unit over here. There's a stainless steel table that allows for lots of customization. They can set up the table however they want, so move the bottom rack around, move the some of the knife holding around so that they can set up the prep table exactly they want, whether or not you're right-handed or left-handed, and it really allows the customer to design the workspace to suit their needs.
That's awesome, and dough trays as well. You guys are incredibly versatile and local too. You guys are in the U.S., right?
That's right. We manufacture everything in Jefferson, Georgia, so north of Atlanta. We pride ourselves in quality work, making sure that we produce a quality product. That bun pan rack that's got the polytop work surface, the same thing. So it allows you to gives flexibility to the kitchen, and that way they've got plenty of room and work surfaces to work off of. So.
It's awesome. Chad, how can people find out more about Choice Equipment Company?
ChoiceEquipmentCompany.com. We've got a lot of our catalog stuff there, but really contact us when you have that special need. I've got a bunch of engineers that are dying to meet your need and solve a problem. So that's what we like doing.
Chad at Choice Equipment Company. Thanks for the time today.
Awesome. Thank you.